on me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey guys, I'm just doing a small vlog today. Is it Thursday? Oh look, I don't know. After I went to the eye doctor, my eyes are just so sensitive. It feels like it's hurting, so I have another appointment tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. It just feels like the sun is like, it's just sore. That's why last night I just was feeling like I had to take my glasses off. It was just feeling sore in my eyes. I don't know what's going on. It just, maybe it's dry, I don't know. But yeah, maybe I gotta shut off that fan. Maybe it's like blowing. I don't know what's going on. Any kind of stuff going on. But anyways, I am trying to make enchiladas tonight. My sister and my brother-in-law is gonna come and eat, so hopefully, cross my fingers that it's gonna work. I'll take you guys in the kitchen in a bit. But yeah, I don't know, I've been having anxieties. I think it's anxieties, and my eyes been like, it was terrible. I had a hard time sleeping last night. Like, I think it's 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I go in the room, go in the living room, back and forth. It was horrible. Whoo, I don't know what's going on. And then my eyes were sore, like what the heck. But now it seems okay. Feels like the wind is like bothering it. I'm gonna turn off the air real quick. Okay guys, so this is how I'm gonna make my enchilada. I'm not gonna do step by step today. I'm just gonna do a brief little kind of show you what I got. So I got this, the white corn tortillas, and then I'm gonna be using cream of mushroom. I just bought 3, so it won't be like not enough, because once time I made enchilada, oh my goodness, it was pretty darn dry. Okay, don't laugh, but I never made enchiladas ever before, so it was pretty dry. Okay, so right now I'm just boiling chicken, and I'm gonna go and shred it after this, and I put some onions in there only. Yeah, I'm not gonna put like too much salt right now or at all. I'm just gonna use the cream of chicken for that. And then this is for Nevaeh. I just got the chicken soup for her. I can mix it with her food. Maybe she likes that. She's been kind of picky lately. Then I chopped up my onion. No, this is my lettuce, and I have some onions here as well. And some tomatoes, I chopped that up. That's how it's looking right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put one other can onto, I'll be using this glass dish today. That's pretty much what I have to use. And then I'm gonna try not to use any oil to make the tortillas soft. I'm just gonna try and microwave it a little bit, and let's see how that works, okay? See these tortillas here, because they're pretty hard right now, so if we want it to be a little bit soft. So I'm gonna go and put that in the microwave for a bit. Okay, so my thing is I'm trying to not use too much oil on there, and sorry, this is how I'm looking today, don't mind. But I seen someone making enchiladas yesterday on YouTube, so it's like I have to eat that. I have to eat it. She made it differently. She made it with she made it a whole another different way, but this works for me. This is my pop's recipe, my sister said, so we're gonna go and test it out. It's better if he makes it, right? Nah, then I don't have to make it, but nah. Okay, so let's check out okay, so I'm trying not to use too much oils and stuff, because we have to be careful what we're eating and stuff. This will work for me, so for now, yeah. It's a little bit it works, because it'll get softer when we put it inside. So I'm just gonna open this can right here. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on the bottom. It's pretty thick. Should I mix it with milk? Let's see. I think I'm gonna mix it with some milk because it's pretty thick. So I did add some of that with the milk, the cream of, I want to say chicken. I always say cream of mushroom because that's usually what we purchase. I never did purchase cream of chicken to cook with before because I hardly ever actually cook. Yeah, it's just like me and Nevaeh, so I hardly make any kind of fancy dishes or anything. But yeah, but with that cream of chicken, it's like, I guess, less salt and all that stuff because it's the hardy one or whatever. Okay, so it's a little bit thinner. It's not that thin, but we're gonna go ahead and use that. Okay, we're using this sharp cheddar. And then I'm gonna be dipping this tortillas into this sauce here, and then I'm gonna be putting it inside there with the chicken and the cheese. That's what I'm doing, and then I'll be rolling it and then going and moving on to the next one. Just made 10, and then I'm gonna go and put these on here. Okay, I'll be back again. Alrighty guys, so I did have I did put extra Mexican style cheddar jack cheese on there, and this is how it's looking. It looks like a normal enchilada thing. Hopefully it'll be tasting like one. Cross your fingers. Keep in mind, this is my second time ever making enchilada. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go and put that in the oven and see how it's gonna be after. Alright, that's how it looks on the side. Yeah, it looks kind of good from here. So let's just wait for my sister them, and then we'll put it to the test. We'll see. Hopefully I did it good this time. It looks kind of dry a little. Hopefully it's not too dry. Alrighty guys, so this is the next day and I'm just closing up the video. Sorry, I'm just letting you guys look at Nevaeh. But if you guys are, like, for some people that can't eat tomato paste or tomatoey stuff, that would be the next best thing to use. It's the cream of chicken. It really turned out delicious. There's still 2 left. I'm gonna go and eat that this morning. Really easy to make. As long as you have enough, make sure you have enough cream of chicken so it doesn't come out dry. I only used 2 cans. I used 4 pieces of chicken, and I had 2 bags of cheese. And basically that's all you really need. And I did have the tomato, lettuce, onion, and I did buy some salsa on the side just in case they wanted to put more or something like that. But yeah, so that was my video for yesterday. I'm gonna close it up and post this morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.